Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time since I've actually posted a video up, a vlog up here on my channel. It's been so crazy since I've had my little girl. She's the 5th, and it's like, not to mention 2020 has been crazy, period. I don't even need to say that because you guys already know. But it's just like a thing of constant like fiascos that have happened. But anyways, I did want to post a video up because I just bought a bunch of stuff from PatPat. If you're a mom and you don't know what PatPat is, it is the cutest store. They are constantly having sales. Things are so affordable. It's a very reliable store. Everything that I've bought there in the past for my little baby girl has been so cute. It's been well made and I just absolutely loved it. So this time around I bought a couple of Christmas things, some fall things, and I wanted to share them with you guys so you guys can get a little taste of PatPat. But I'll put the link for them below. But I absolutely love them. I bought a ton of stuff and they're just so good. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull stuff out and just share it with you guys, and then if I have any clips of my baby trying them on, because Autumn is now wearing barely 6 to 9 months, but more like 9 months clothes. And I bought some things for her that will fit in December, which is still about like 2 months away, Christmas time. So it's still 2 months away. But anyways, I'll just pull stuff out, and if I try things on when she wakes up from her nap, I'll share them with you guys. But the first thing, it's a 12 to 18 months because she'll be 1 in February and I want her to be able to wear this. But it is the cutest little cuddly PJ onesie, and it has a bunch of little pineapples on it, and it is so freaking cute. So it has a little feetsies out because she'll be 1, she'll be walking around, 12 to 18 months, and it is very, very soft. Really, really good material. I don't know if you can see this. It's like fuzzy and it is super cute. So, oh my gosh, I'll put what the prices were here on the screen because I don't have it with me. But so stinking cute, okay? And they all come in this cute little PatPat bag. So what's next here? Okay, this is something she can wear right now. I bought it 6 to 9 months. And I think she can still wear it. So it's this little sunflower. It's a little sunflower shirt, so cute, but it goes with this little sunflower like overall kind of skirt. So basically it's a skirt, you can see that, and then the overall part of it, it's supposed to latch on right here with these buttons here in the front. So I'll put this on her today. So her outfit's a little bit big for her, which is good. It is 9 to 12 months, so she's only 8 months. Oh no, this is a 6 to 9 months. So their outfits kind of run a little bit big because it's a 6 to 9 months. She's 8 months and she's already out of a lot of the 6 to 9 months clothes that I have from other brands. But yeah, I can definitely see her wearing this for a while because it's pretty big. Autumn. Whoa! Okay, so this is how she looks. Autumn. Oh, that's a cute outfit, Autumn. That's a cute outfit, Autumn. Don't mind her bow. I tried to retie it because she took it off. Because it is so cute. It's like the perfect like fall, November, like it's so freaking cute. I can't wait to show you guys. So this is what she's gonna wear today when she wakes up from her nap. And I was gonna buy like a sunflower matching hat to go along with that. Maybe I'll still buy it because for Thanksgiving we're going to Arizona, so maybe I'll buy that, and then in Arizona I'll wear that with her. It's just so freaking cute. Anyways, this little outfit, so stinking cute. Okay, next I bought like 3 of these little PJ slash, it's this like thin, almost, if you've ever had like a muslin blanket, that's kind of like the material is kind of feels like. So it's not very stretchy, but they're little, it's a little outfit. So they're pants, and they have like they tighten at the bottom, and then it comes with this little shirt. And I got all of these in, I think, 12 months, so that in December slash, this one's 9 to 12 months, so she can actually start to wear this probably. But it comes with a matching shirt, so you got the matching shirt, the matching bottoms, so freaking cute. So I got pink. So for Christmas, we're gonna have family over, and so I have a niece that is the same age as Autumn, and I have a nephew that's a little bit younger than Autumn. So there are 3 babies that are gonna be here at my house. So I bought a like matching Christmas set for them so I could take a picture in front of one of the Christmas trees. So this is the one, I think this is the one for, I'm pretty sure this is the one that I bought for Autumn. So it is, and this is a good material. It's thick, it's stretchy. So it is this little tiny pink snowman. Look at the little, like the bottom, like look at the little details. It's so stinking cute. I can't even right now. Like, this is so stinking cute. So I bought that one for Autumn. And then let me find them. Okay, this one I think is the one for James, my little nephew. Yeah, because it's 3 to 6 months. So his is going to be Rudolph, and it has like this green and red. So stinking cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, if he had little twins, that'd be so cute. But anyways, this is the one for him. And then the one for my niece, where is it? Let me find it. Oh, here it is. And then the one for my niece is gonna be this other, it's like a little girl deer, and it says, "Oh dear." So freaking cute. It has the pink and the red. Oh my word, it is the cutest. So this is gonna be for my niece. It's so freaking cute. Look at that, her little lashes. So they're all 3 gonna be matching, little baby pictures. They're gonna be up by the tree. It's gonna be so freaking cute. Yeah, I'm one of those people. I'm one of those people. Okay, so for those other outfits slash, I feel like they can be outfits slash casual outfits slash PJs, but that pink one that I showed you guys that has like the muslin material, I also bought one in this like burgundy red for like the fall slash Christmas time. So again, this is what it looks like. So cute. And then I also, of course, bought a mustard yellow one. What size is this one? This one looks kind of small. 9 to 12 months, so she can wear this right now. So a mustard yellow one, again, for like the fall time. She can be comfortable, but she can sleep in them at night. Double as a cute casual clothes that's comfortable, but also PJs. So freaking cute. All right. Next, oh, I am so excited about this. So I got her, we live in the really cold, like Rhode Island is cold. It snowed the day before Halloween. So it's been cold, and it snowed all day. It didn't like kind of snow, it like snowed all day. So this is 9 to 12 months, so she can start wearing this up until she's a year old. But this is one of those, have you guys ever seen those, I know you guys have seen those like fuzzy like sweater jackets that are really cozy but they're really warm that women will wear? Well, I found a onesie very similar to that for her, and it has a little feetsies out so you can put like shoes on her or whatnot. But this is so freaking cute, and it's gonna be so warm for her. Look at this. I mean, look at this. So stinking cute. So I need to get myself like a fuzzy pink jacket, like a sweater kind of thing to like match this, because I'm like all about matchy. She's my only girl. If you're new, she's my only girl. I have 4 boys. She's the youngest, and I'm all about like the matchy with my baby girl because she's gonna be the only one I have. So anyways, I got that because it was so stinking cute. All right, Next, I got this. This is 9 to 12 months, so she can probably start wearing this pretty dang soon. But again, it's a long sleeve, okay, onesie. It has the little ruffles, okay, and it comes with a bottom. The bottoms are like these jean bottoms that are ruffled here, that you tie like a bow here at the waist, and then they're tight at the bottom. So stinking cute. And they pair up with these so perfectly, especially with the ruffled like long sleeves. So cute. Okay, so I also bought a sweater, like a big jacket. This one is at 12 to 18 months. It has these little cute green and red buttons, a little red bow on top. It's a really good thick material. It's not necessarily fuzzy inside, but it is something that's thick that will be nice for it being cold out. So it's just this jacket, has two little pockets here. Looks like this. It has two little buttons in the back, which is so cute. Kind of looks like a Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse type of jacket, but it's super cute. It's red, it's Christmassy, so I thought that would be perfect. So I also went a little crazy with like the sunflower. I also bought little sunflower 12 to 18 month overalls. These are so stinking cute. Look at these. So they're kind of like have like ripped detailing. So cute. Look at these legs. They're ripped, but they have like sunflower in there. So cute. And these are thin enough and light enough that you could rock, that she can rock these in the spring, summertime. So they're not going to be super, super thick, but they're so stinking cute. I can't even. And the back just looks like this. So cute. So I'm so excited for her to put that on with some like Converse, like some white little Converse when she's like walking around. So I also saw this. It's one of those like, I don't know, what do you call these? Let's see if it even says on here. It's a jumpsuit. So it's 12 to 18 month leopard print jumpsuit. And you tie it here. Now she can definitely wear a shirt underneath. You don't have to have it like bare backed kind of thing, but it's so freaking cute. Oh, like look at this. It's so cute. Look at this. And it kind of has like a lower like crotch area, so it's kind of like baggy right there. And it's so, oh, you need to go look at the models. Like you need to go to PatPat and look at the little kids wearing these outfits. Are so stinking cute. Like you just need to go see that. Okay. I have a couple things left. So I bought another jacket, and this one's more like a snowy jacket. It's more like a snow jacket material. It seems like it's pretty good material. I wouldn't go out in the snow for a long period of time, but to the car, to the store, wherever. This is a 12 to 18 month, and it does have these little like ears on them. So freaking cute. And it is this mint green, because mint green is my favorite color. So I had to get her a little mint green little jacket kind of thing. I wouldn't go take them out like on a snow day out in that, but if you're going to the store and it's snowing or it's cold, that's something good to take them like from the car to the store, to the grandparents' house, or to wherever. Davy, come here. Come here. You want to come with me? Come here. Okay, well then shush up. Sorry, my bird. Being crazy. Okay, this is another outfit I got for Christmas for her. So it's a 9 to 12 months outfit. It says Merry Christmas. It's the leopard print. You guys are gonna die. Look at the little Christmas trees. It says Merry Christmas on there. Oh, this is so freaking cute. So I can't wait for her to wear this during Christmas time, because it's her first Christmas. So she's getting spoiled. Okay, the last little outfit I got is this one, because she has more like of an olive complexion. She's like a lighter olive, kind of like I am. She's a little bit lighter than me, but purple lavender looks really cute on her, like so cute. And I don't have a lot of lavender outfits, so I got this outfit. And her middle name, if you didn't know, her name is Autumn Rose. So I play off of Rose all the time. I call her Rose, Rosie, Autumn, Autumn Rose. So I like to have like roses in her nursery, rose outfits. She wears a lot of rose outfits. I know, I'm kind of extreme. I don't know. She's my only girl. Do you understand that? I'm not gonna have any other girls. She's the only girl. And I mean, anyways, so this whole little outfit, it's purple, okay? It has little ruffles here. Let me put this inside here. Okay, so it has little cute ruffles, which are so cute. It's long sleeve. It is, I bought this in size 12 to 18 months. So I was thinking she'll probably wear this around Valentine's Day because she was born February 21st. So around Valentine's Day, she can wear this little cute outfit. On that Valentine's month in all February, she can wear that cute outfit. Okay, and then it comes with this top. It comes with these like rose lavender pink bottoms. So cute. So they tie here. You can do a little tie. And they pinch together here at the bottom, and they're kind of like ruffled here. So this is kind of how it goes. So cute. And then there's a little bow that matches it that goes with it, which I thought super cute. It's really well made and it's really big. So I really love that. So that's it. That's everything I bought this time from PatPat for my baby girl. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. If you want me to share more hauls with you guys, because I buy things for her so much, let me know down below in the comment section. Give this video a like, you guys. Subscribe if you like lifestyle videos, if you're nosy and like seeing family vlogs. I have 5 kids, 4 boys, 1 girl, 7-year-old all the way to 8-month-old, and it's just really, really fun. So make sure you subscribe. I hope you're all doing well. I've really missed doing videos here on this channel, and more videos are definitely going to come now that 2020 is almost over and it's starting to get like semi-normal-ish. But I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.